Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share with you this amazingly delicious curry-infused stuffed duff, and I also want to say a happy emancipation to my Guyanese brothers and sisters in Guyana and around the world. I know you guys are going to enjoy this one. It is absolutely delicious. Let's get to it. So here I am assembling all of my dry ingredients, and not to worry, there will be in the description box with the measurements. We're going to whisk everything together, make sure it is incorporated within the flour. Then we're going to add our butter. Now tip, if you're using salted butter, omit the salt. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add some salt. Now we're going to add our room temperature water or lukewarm water to pull this dough together. Let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then we are going to divide this dough into equal parts. Now if stuffed duff is not your preference, that is just fine. You can roll this duff and continue with the process. I'll also leave a link to that of how to make the duff without stuffing it, which you just don't stuff it. All right, so let's get on with the stuffed duff. We are going to flatten it out and we are going to add the saltfish. The link to make that saltfish, if you don't know how to, will be in the description box as well. Now you might be asking yourself, how did she put this together or why? Well, I'm so glad you asked, so I'm happy to tell you. So I was so hungry. Whenever I'm hungry, I get all these creative thoughts of food and, original, how to twist it, make it my own kind of stuff. And I wanted to have curry, and I wanted to have some Duff, Metemgee. And then I thought, why not? So this recipe was actually birthed from hunger. Yes, guys, it was birthed from hunger. So thank my hunger for this curried stuffed duff recipe that you guys are definitely going to enjoy. All right, this recipe was just perfect. The curry that is in the duff seeps into the broth and it infused it. It was so perfect. So I removed the provisions, which are cassava, yuca, edos, sweet potatoes, and turned plantains. All right, look at this. This broth is so rich, creamy, and super delicious. Now we are going to add the duff here. And we are going to cover. No fall duff over here. Unless that is your preference, okay? And I know a lot of people do not like fall duff. So it is about 9 minutes. Shall we peek? Yeah, let's see real quick. Wow, absolutely amazing. Let's cover. All right, it is perfect. I'll let it go for 2 more minutes. And I did add some okra, which brings an additional richness to this broth with the curry infused. It was perfection. Now, when I say spongy and fluffy, this is what I mean. Like, I had to zoom this up for you guys to literally see how amazingly fluffy this is. OMG. Guys, and I am sure you can make this as well. If you can't by now, I know you can after you watch this video. All right, I just put this here for presentation. You can put this back actually in the pot off of the stove, uncover, because you can still fall your duff, okay, if you cover it and leave it on the stove. And I'm sure my Indian brothers and sisters are definitely going to love this one. So please share this video with your family and friends. They also want to have some good Duff or Metemgee this emancipation, or just whenever they feel like it, okay? So please take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.